Welcome everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to create a first JMeter script. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's create it. So in the case of for JMeter, everything happened with the help of this test plan. Okay, and everything added here with the help of right click. So right click and go to add, and very first you need to decide the number of user. Thread group means user groups. Okay, number of user you need to decide with the help of a thread group. So very first you need to decide how many number of people going to hit the website. Okay, now here you can see number of thread is what? One. So we'll be checking website performance with the help of what? First with the one user. Now after this you need to decide which kind of request you are going to do. Okay, like www.google.com is accessed with the help of which protocol? HTTP protocol. So we need to tell with the help of JMeter which kind of request you want to give. So here I will right click in the thread group, and in the thread group, after right clicking, go to the add, and in the sampler you will find all kinds of requests which JMeter supports. So google.com or bing.com, they are accessed with the help of which protocol? HTTP protocol. So thus I am going to use HTTP request here. Now it is asking which server name or IP address. Here you can mention google.com or bing.com or any website on which you want to do performance testing. So in performance testing, as you know, we are going to measure the response time. So here I am going to hit the google.com. So let's type here google.com. And here you can mention which kind of request you are going to send. HTTP. So here I will say HTTP. And here you can mention Google request. And let's run it. After running, we are not getting any output. The reason behind, JMeter is not a browser. In browser, what happens? Whatever you request, browser then wait for the response which is coming from server. But in the JMeter, we need to tell everything explicitly. Okay, so we need to tell the JMeter after giving the request, take the, I can say, response from the server also. Listen to the response and give it to me. So in the case of JMeter, you need to add a listener. We need to listen to the response. So that happens with the help of a listener in the JMeter. Let's right click here, go to the listener, and here first listener is what? View result in tree. So I will just click and let's run once more. Okay, here you are getting the response, and here you can see that this is the load time in the millisecond, it is a connect time, and it is a latency. This was you requested. Okay, you requested google.com, but you got about www.google.com, means it has redirected, but overall response time is this. Sampler result is 289 millisecond it has taken for loading that website. This is the response data that you got in the which format? I can say it is in the text format, since here text is selected. If you want to see in the HTML format, you can see with the help of what? Selecting HTML. This is in the HTML format. If you want to load the images also, then you need to select the HTML download resources. Now you can see the image is loaded. Okay, so this is the first request that we have seen. Now what we have learned from this, in this we have learned that okay, how to add thread group. With the help of thread group, what do we do? We decide number of user. Now second thing we have seen, how to add a sampler. How to add, okay, which sampler we have used? We have used HTTP request. HTTP request. JMeter supposed other types of sampler also, but we have seen HTTP request. Then we have seen how to add a listener. Okay. In the listener only, we are able to see our response time. We can see response time here. See all the details of response. All the details of response here only. Okay, like response time. Okay, so these things we have seen today. And in the thread group, we have what kept as what 2 now users. In the thread group, we have kept number of users 1. You can change this to the 5 also and run. This is the cleaner. You can see this is the cleaner. You can clear the previous result. See, with the help of this, you can clear the previous response. Okay, now you can run with the 5 users. See, 5 users, for 5 users. What are the number of first user got the response time as what 298, second user got the 293, third user got 302, next user got 295, and next user got 284. These are the, I can say, in the millisecond response time. Okay, thanks a lot for listening, everyone. In next video, we'll be learning different types of what listeners. Okay, so this was the first script in JMeter. Hope you will like it. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day. And do not forget to subscribe.